friends, Mrs. Skiffington here to take you through your choice board for math for today. So for math, going across the top in the purple, your must-do activities. You're going to start with your workbook, in case you forget what it looks like. And you're going to go to reteaching 4-4. Okay, so on this one, the top gets a little confusing because they've already done your work. So we're going to kind of pretend this one's not here. So you have 6, 5 plus 1 more is 6. So you trace your 6. Then you add the 1 more counter. Okay. Then you count again, 5, 6, 7. And you make your 7. Okay. Remember, we can always, when we see the top row of a 10 frame fill, that's 5. Okay. The next one, count your counters. 1, 2, 3. Write it over here. 3. Add another counter right here. Okay, now count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and write your number 4. You're going to keep doing that. Okay. Count. So trace, basically. Count. Trace. Add another one. Count again. Write the number. And same thing down here. Okay. Just to get you practice the 1 more activity. Okay, so next for practice 4-5. Okay, that's 1 fewer. So for this one, you're going to count these objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't write anything yet. Then X out. X out your last one. Recount. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't count the crossed out one. And then write that number here. All right. This is where we get a little tricky because it's not easy with stuff stuck to paper. If you want, and you can use your counters. Put your counters right over those cups. That way you can move things around and figure things out. So you have to do that for these 4. Always crossing the last one out and then counting and writing what's left. So you're trying to record the number that tells 1 fewer than what we see here, than our starting group. Okay? All right. So that is your practice. I hope I did that right. Yeah, that's your practice 4.5, 1 fewer. Okay. Next is the gingerbread 1 more, 1 fewer spinner game. I like this better because you are actually moving things around. So you're going to need those cards that you hopefully, or you may or may not have used yesterday, because I think that was a choice. But if you have these, get these cards. You should still have them, whether or not you did the activity. I asked you to hang on to them. If you didn't hang on to them, use your counters for it then. Okay, so you need both sheets for this. There's 1, and then right underneath is 2. Okay, so if you haven't already cut them out, cut them out. Click on the link where it says gingerbread 1 more, 1 fewer spinner game. Okay, you're also going to need the spinner. That's also in the packet. Where is it? Sorry. I don't know how to find things. You'll need the spinner. That's also in here to play the game. Sorry. I know it's in here, but I'm having a hard time finding it right now. So yeah, use your spinner. It tells you how to use it in the game. And play that game using the spinner. All right, I just found it. It's right here. Okay. Alrighty. So, that was tricky. Okay. And that's that. Your next gingerbread comparing numbers boom card. That was a choice yesterday as well. Unless it was a snow day for you, so you might not have done that. But anyway, gingerbread comparing boom cards, they're really great boom cards. Again, there's a woman who tells you how to what you have to do, so you don't really need anybody there to tell you. You can just listen to her. If you need to repeat it, you click the little speaker and she will repeat the direction. There's also number room 6 through 10. A lot of activities on there. Do a few of those for a choice. And your last choice, you're going to need your Clever badge. Okay, I just sent them home. They're greenish blue hard paper like cardstock, attached to a little half sheet. So a half sheet looks like this, with directions on how to use it. But for this one, you're going to click on that little box in the choice board that says eSpark, use Clever badge. Click on that. When you click on that, it takes you to Clever. Okay, so you're at Clever, and it will ask you if you want to log on using your Clever badge. Click yes. It might ask you if it's okay for your camera to be used for Clever. Click yes. Okay. Then you're going to hold up your Clever badge, and it's going to log you right into Clever. Once you're in Clever, you're going to click on our classroom. It says Mrs. Skiffington's classroom. Then in there's a little icon. It says eSpark. Click on that, and you're ready to go with eSpark. Okay, you don't have to sign in there at all. Your Clever badge does it for you. All right, so that's that. Give it a try. It's fun. I'm excited to hear how you did with the Clever badge. Hang on to your Clever badge, because we are going to start using them more for different things as the year goes on. So that's it for today for math. I hope you have a good day. See you soon.